welcome everybody. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Most of you guys know me from my Instagram, so hi fam. And for those who don't know me, hi, my name is Aruj and I'm a student and I love creating looks. I'm totally a makeup junkie. I'm a makeup freak. I love doing makeup. I love exploring makeup. I just love doing it, believe me. And for today I have created this, and if you want to know how did I achieve this look, so stay tuned and don't skip the video, watch till the end and you will know it for yourself. Here I am starting my makeup by applying moisturizer. I use Vaseline as a moisturizer. I'm an extremely dehydrated person. My skin is so dehydrated, nothing else works for me. Believe me, I have tried zillions of products and nothing works for me. But this product, I love it. It gives me such a dewy finish, and I don't know why, but I feel whenever I apply Vaseline, my foundation lasts long, and I love it. And I let it sit on my face for 2 minutes before applying any other product. So till then, just move to your brows. So here I'm using an eyebrow pomade to cover up my brows with the help of a brush and a spoolie. So first of all, I apply a little product and then blend it with the help of a spoolie, and then I don't like the mess I created. Then I just clean it out with the help of a concealer and a brush. So after defining my brow, I just clean out the edges, blend the concealer into my skin. After carving my eyebrows, I'm just blending everything into my skin so nothing looks harsh. So after that, I'm using Revolution fast paint based stick to cover up my dark circle or any dark spots or hyperpigmentation or anything over my face. Anything that need an extra coverage or needs to be covered, I'm just applying it over that and blending it with my hands, and then giving some final touches with my favorite beauty blender. It's from Beauty by Amna, and I've been using this one from past 4 years and still it works as a wonder. Well, now I've applied one of my favorite foundations from Miss Rose. This foundation is great. You can hear the background noise, I'm so sorry about that, but I'm just here blending my foundation with the help of my favorite kabuki brush. It's also from Beautify by Amna, and I'm using this one too from past 4 years. Okay, I need new products, but I should try new products, but I still love them. I tried some other brushes, but this one is my absolute favorite because it gives great coverage under the eyes. I like to blend everything. My contour goes perfect with it. Okay, so here I am using a bronzing stick. I just realized I was way out of the topic. So this stick is from, I don't know, because I'm sorry, this was a gift from a friend and I couldn't find the actual brand. So I'm just at this point, my sister gave me my Chayka companion. I was like, you are the best sister in this world. You are, indeed you are. You know me. Okay, so here I was just trying to conceal my eyes with the help of a lighter shade foundation as I was running out of my concealer, and I didn't realize that I was running out of my foundation too. You will see it for yourself. Just wait a second, let me show you. Look, just a pump, and at this point I need new products. I need to restock, but you know what, I'm broke. I'm sorry, I'm broke. But okay, here I am just highlighting the high points of my face to get that snatch Kim Kardashian look, but not a Kim Kardashian look. Her face is really snatched, not like mine. I'm a potato. And I just don't like foundation over my lips. I just remove it right after I just apply my foundation. I hate that. Okay, if you want better coverage, just let your foundation or your concealer sit on your skin for at least a minute and it will gives you great coverage. Believe me. Until then, just enjoy your dry and blend everything in with the help of the kabuki brush. I like this brush. I love this brush just because हर कोने में घुस जाता है. मतलब अंडर आइज़ में, वो इनर कॉर्नर में, हर जगह पे बहुत बेहतरीन कवरेज देता है एंड आई लव इट. And my blender looks really creepy at this point, but I'm using Beautify by Amna ka he powder in shade translucent and just blending every creases before applying powder so my base wouldn't crack up. Yeah, and just setting my face with the help of a blender and a powder. Now I'll rest my I'll just set the rest of my face with the help of a brush. ज़ुबान को पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. Anyhow, I'm just setting my face with the help of a brush and a powder. Okay, so I'm just using Cheek palette from Benefit. It has 5 shades in total. It has 2 bronzer, 2 blushes and a highlighter. The bronzers are amazing. The blushes are pretty amazing. If you are flower person, you like pinky tones, you will just love this product. The blushes are amazing. This is my go-to palette, believe me. I love it. Now moving towards the highlighter. I don't remember which highlighter I just applied. And for eye makeup, I have been using two eyeshadow palettes. One's from Revolution, another is Beauty Glaze Color Book palette, and I'm just packing a bright blue shade. And at this point I just realized, oh shit, everything will ruin my base. I won't let anything ruin my base. I won't. So I just applied extra powder ताकि जो भी fall out हो उसके ऊपर हो, and I'll just dust it off. मेरी ज़ुबान आज लड़ख रही है. I'm sorry for that. So I'm just blending out edges, and you know what's the key to the perfect eye look? Blend everything. You know, the key to success is blend. Just blend everything and you will get it. Oh my god. It says for the background noise. And here I'm just cutting the crease. I'm cutting the crease with the help of a brush and concealer, and you can see how sharp I'll cut the crease. It looks amazing, है ना? I know. Now I'll just blend that blue again, because I told you earlier, blending is the key to success. Now packing up the shades, I applied purple first. It looks pink on the other side because I accidentally applied pink shade on the other side of the brush. Then I'm a messy person. Anyhow, I'm just packing the hot pink shade and it looks amazing, believe me. And then I'm applying a bright orange onto my lid and it looks pretty, and a bright yellow to the inner corner to complement the look, and just bright that inner corner. Apply more and more yellow so you can see it for yourself, and applying a golden glitter liner on my crease, and a highlighter on the inner corner to bright the inner corner. Never get enough of a bright inner corner. And applying a wing eyeliner. Wing it, baby. Okay, so just making my inner corner, making my eyes look big, but my eyes are pretty big. And just curling my lashes, and a disaster is coming up. Just see, मैंने यहाँ पे अपनी आँख के अंदर कर लिया था मस्कारा. ओके, मुझे लोग इतनी पसंद आ गई कि आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट कि मैंने लोअर लाइन तो भी की ही नहीं, मतलब लोअर लैश लाइन तो अभी तक किया ही नहीं. सो आई एम जस्ट सेटिंग आउट माई फेस again and applying a nude pink shade onto my lips, and here you go. Guys, I hope you guys like the tutorial, and if you guys like it, so give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, so do follow me on Instagram. And take care. Bye. See you in the next video.